Open to the public on April 21st, 2003, Grand Rapids Public Library invites everyone to experience the new renovations done to an old-time library. The information officer says that the integrity of the building during the reconstruction was maintained.
They didn't rebuild it, but they brought it back to the original specs of how it looked when it opened in 1904. So,
after its grand opening, Grand Rapids Public Library has been attracting all walks of life. But some of the library was totally redone.
The old wing, they completely redid. They brought all the colors back to the original.
Shining bright, the library uses top-of-the-line technology with old-fashioned bookwork to give people the best experience. Open for a century, the first renovations were done over 40 years ago.
This building here was opened in 1904, and then the new addition was built in the 60s.
But in the last 4 years, major reconstruction has been a top priority.
So just a lot of renovations. And then the new wing, they pretty much just bulldozed all 4 floors and redid them from the ground up, so that's all redone.
Restored and renewed, right next to Grand Rapids Community College, Grand Rapids Public Library holds true to its historic vision. For Spartan News, I'm Nick Van Dyke, signing off.